Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Plus, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find notifications and status bar. Then let's tap on the status bar, and as you can see here we've got two options connected with the battery, so the percentage is right here, we can tap on it, and we've got three different options, so inside the battery icon, which I've got currently applied, outside the battery icon, or do not show at all, it's up to you. Of course this one is much more visible as it appears next to the battery icon. What is more, we can also change the battery style, the horizontal, vertical loop, and do not show. Of course, be aware that not all of the options will be compatible with the battery percentage options, because for example in this one we are not able to show the battery percentage inside the battery icon, so be aware and choose the option which you like the most. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.